So now problems based on the wheel load stresses. Okay, first problem. Using the given data below, calculate the wheel load stresses at the interior, edge, corner regions of a cement concrete pavement using the Westergaard stress equation. Also determine the parabolic location where the crack is likely to be developed due to the corner loading. So we have to find out the stress at interior, edge and corner with respect to parabolic action at the corner place. We have to find out the diagonal distance of the cracks. Okay, so here they have given the data like wheel load, that is a P is equal to 5100 kg. Next, easy, I mean elastic properties of the cement concrete pavement, that is a 3 into 10 to 5 kg per centimeter cube. Next, pavement thickness, that is the thickness of the pavement is 18 centimeter. Poisson's ratio for the cement concrete will be 0.15 and the modulus of subtrade reaction K value is 6 kg per centimeter cube, and radius of the contact area 15 centimeter. Radius of contact area, the wheel load is having the contact area of 15 centimeter. Okay, next, so we have a formula for the interior, edge and the corner. So here everything is given, some of the data are not given, we have to calculate it. First thing, P is also given, that is 5100 kg per kg, and H is the thickness of the pavement, that is 18 centimeter. Okay, here we don't know about the value of LB. Okay, and again the value of A is also given, that is a 15 centimeter, and we have to find out the value of L. Everything is given, that is P and load P and H value also is given. So we have to find out the first thing is the value of L, radius of relative stiffness. Okay, this is the value of relative stiffness. So first thing is elasticity. So value will be 3 into 10 raised to 5 into H, that is the thickness of a pavement, that is 18 cube divided by 12 into modulus of subgrade reaction. They have given in the data, that is 6 kg per centimeter cube. 6 into 1 minus Poisson's ratio of a cement concrete will be 0.15, the whole raised to 1 by 4. So the value of L will be determined in terms of a centimeter. So here we get the value of L value will be 70.16 centimeter. This is the value of radius of the relative stiffness. So we know that we got the value of L. Now we have to calculate the value of B. Okay, B formula 1.6 into A square plus H square minus of 0.675 times of the H. So before moving to this formula, we have to find out whether it is the value of B will be taken by this formula or A is equal to B or B. Okay, first thing is we have to find out the A by H value. What is the value of A? That is a 15 centimeter and H value will be 18 centimeter. So what is the value of A by H value now? So here 0.833. Okay, if we convert the H value either side, A will be 1.724 times of the H, right? Okay, so now it will be same. Now see, A by H value which is less than the 1.724. So the value is correct. So we have to take this formula, that is B is equal to root of 1.6 A square plus H square minus of 0.675 times of the H. Now we have to calculate the formula. So here see, what is the value of A? So A value will be 15. 1.6 into 15 square plus of 18 square. Okay, H value will be 18 centimeter, thickness of the pavement. Now 0.675 times of the H value will be 18. So finally the value of B will be 14 centimeter. Okay, we got the value of B, that is a 14 centimeter. So we got everything, that is L by B value, and P value is also already given in the data. So thickness of H will be also is given. Now we have to find out the stress of interior edge and the corner. Okay. So value of E will be 70.16 centimeter. B value will be 14 centimeter. Okay. Now at the interior position, so 0.316 into, what is the P value? P value is 5100 kg. Okay, divided by H cube. H is the thickness of a pavement, that is 18 centimeter. Okay, into 4 into log base 10. L by B. So what is the value of L? 70.16. B value is 14 centimeters plus 1.069. Calculate what is the value of stress at the interior. Okay, so finally we get the answer of 19.3 kg per centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the value of 19.3 kg per centimeter cube is the value of stress at the interior. Now at the edge condition, okay, 0.572 times of the, what is the P value? 5100 divided by H is the 18 cube. So now 4 into log base 10 into L by B value will be 70.16 divided by 14 plus 0.359. Now calculate what is the value of stress at the edge condition. So here the value will be 28.4 kg per centimeter cube. Okay. Stress at the edge condition will be 28.4 kg per centimeter cube. So now at the corner condition, okay. Now 3 times of the P, 5100 divided by H value will be 18. 1 minus A value. Here the A value will be, so radius of contact area. Okay, the wheel which is contacted in concrete pavement. Okay, that is the contact area, that is 15 centimeter. 15 into root of 2 divided by L. L is the relative stiffness, that is a 70.16. Whole raised to 0.6. Calculate the value. What is the value of stress at the corner? (24.27 kg per centimeter cube). So we got the value of interior edge and the corner region of the stresses. Okay. Again they have asked to determine the parabolic location where the crack is likely to develop in the corner loading. So we got the stress at the 3 critical points, that is the interior edge and the corner place. Okay. We have to find out where the critical of parabolic, okay, where the crack is developed in a diagonal position of a cement concrete pavement. Okay. Wait. So here x is equal to, okay, x is equal to 2.58 root of a l. Isn't it? There is a formula for calculating the distance from the corner of a slab. So here x is a 2.58 into root of A means the contact area, that is a 15 centimeter into L is a 70.16. So finally we got the value of 34 centimeter. Okay, this is the value of, okay, where the crack is developed from the corner position, okay, in a diagonal position. Okay, that is the parabolic location where the crack is likely to develop in a concrete. That is a x is equal to 34 centimeter.